Friends, Mr. Ben here, and today for Science Explorers, we talked about volcanoes. So volcanoes are really cool. Well, actually, they're not really cool. They're really hot, and that's because deep inside of the Earth, we have this hot substance that we call magma. And sometimes it escapes out of our crust, and it comes forth as lava. And the way it comes out is through a volcano. Now, there are several different kinds of volcanoes. There's the shield volcano, which is synonymous with things like Hawaii. It's really slow-moving lava. And you can actually walk up to it and study it relatively easy. You do have to be careful though. Don't try that at home without being an expert. But yeah, shield volcanoes are one type. Then we have composite volcanoes. This is like Mount Rainier in Washington. These ones are actually very dangerous. They're very eruptive. They're very violent. And you wouldn't want to be too close to these during an eruption. And then we have the cinder cone volcano. These ones are a lot of times associated with these. Sometimes they're a one-time eruption, and they are a lot more straight upwards. And this is an instance of something like Mount St. Helens, which erupted, I believe, in the 1980s. And it was very devastating. All right. So for today's science experiment, we did a little bit of a volcano eruption. So first, we used some clay to make our little volcano. We made kind of a cinder cone volcano because they look really cool. They're really kind of tall, and that'll also help our eruption a little bit. Okay. So we used a very common thing to making volcanoes, except for we had to change our acid. See, baking soda and citric acid make an acid-base reaction. You'd normally use vinegar for this reaction, but it's just easier to transport these crystals, okay? So for our eruption, and we add a little bit of this, we're going to mix these together, our solids. And what's really cool is that because they're solid, they can get mixed together and they won't react until we introduce the water. I'm going to get all three of my parts there, mix them together real nice. And I think we got that. And so now we're going to be ready for the final moment. Here we go. Ooh, it's better on this side. Let's actually flip that around. We have ourselves a real cool eruption. Pretty cool, huh, friends? All right. Well, you can join us every Thursday at 10:30 a.m. for Science Explorers. Just contact us at education@cmssny.org. That will be in the description of this video. And until next time, friends,